1. What is animation? Animation creates the illusion of movement using a sequence of images. Images are shown rapidly one after another. Based on persistence of vision. Uses principles like timing and squash and stretch. Gives life and emotions to characters. Can be traditional or computer generated. One line, animation is the process of making still images appear to move. 2. Define frame in animation. Frame is equal to one single image in an animation. Smallest unit of animation. Measured in frames per second, FPS. Common FPS, 24 and 30. Frames together create motion. Used to control timing and speed. One line, a frame is one picture in an animation sequence. 3. Explain computer animation. Animation created using computer software. Uses digital characters and objects. Animators create keyframes. Software generates in-between frames. Supports 2D and 3D animation. Faster and more flexible than traditional animation. 4 types of computer animation. 2D animation, flat graphics. 3D animation, models with depth. Motion graphics, animated text and logos. Motion capture, records real actor movements. Simulation animation, fire, water, hair, etc. 5 types of animation. Traditional animation, 2D digital animation, 3D animation. Stop motion animation, motion graphics. 6. Traditional versus computer animation. Traditional. Hand-drawn. 2D only. Computer. Digital. 2D and 3D. Every frame drawn manually, software creates in-betweens. Hard to edit. Assets redrawn. Easy to edit. Assets reusable. 7 Purpose of animation principles. Make movement realistic. Show weight and physics. Improve character emotions. Guide viewer attention. Maintain animation quality. Avoid robotic motion. 8 12 Principles of animation. 1. Squash and stretch. 2. Anticipation. 3. Staging. 4. Straight ahead and pose to pose. 5. Follow through and overlapping action. 6. Slow in and slow out. 7. Arcs. 8. Secondary action. 9. Timing. 10. Exaggeration. 11. Solid drawing. 12. Appeal. Exam trick. Just memorize the names first. 9. Who framed the principles of animation? Developed by Frank Thomas and Ollie Johnston. Members of Disney's 9 Old Men. Published in The Illusion of Life, 1981. Introduced the 12 principles of animation. Their principles are still used today. 10. Anticipation. Preparation before the main action. Helps audience understand what will happen. Makes movement natural. Shows effort and weight. Improves timing and focus. Example, before jumping, a character bends their knees. 11. Squash and stretch. Most important animation principle. Shows weight and flexibility. Object changes shape during movement. Squash is equal to compressed shape. Stretch is equal to elongated shape. Volume should remain the same. Example, a bouncing ball flattens on impact and stretches while moving. 12. Slow in and slow out. Objects don't start or stop instantly. Movement speeds up gradually. Movement slows down gradually. Makes motion realistic. Uses more frames at beginning and end. Removes robotic movement. Example, a car slowly accelerates and slows before stopping. 13. Appeal and exaggeration. Appeal. Makes characters attractive and interesting. Gives unique personality. Improves audience connection. Exaggeration makes actions more dramatic. Enhances emotions. Increases visual impact. Example, cartoon characters showing huge surprise expressions. 14. Secondary action versus follow-through. Secondary action supports main action. Follow-through happens after main action. Adds emotion. Intentional movement happens with action. Shows physics. Natural reaction happens after action. Example, waving while walking. Example, hair moving after stop. 15. Difference between staging and appeal. Staging focuses attention, uses camera and composition, makes scene clear. Scene-based improves readability. Appeal creates interest, uses character design. Makes character memorable. Character-based improves attraction. 16. Pose-to-pose animation. Animator creates key poses first. Important positions are planned. In between frames added later. Easy to control timing. Maintains consistency. Commonly used in modern animation. 17. Importance of planning poses. Improves readability. Maintains balance and weight. Saves production time. Reduces mistakes. Improves acting and expressions. Keeps character on model. 18. Poses in walk cycle. 1. Contact pose, both feet touch ground. 2. Down pose, lowest body position. 3. Passing pose, one leg passes the other. 4. Up pose, highest body position. 5. Repeat cycle, same process repeats with opposite leg. 19. Explain biped. Character that walks on 2 legs. Examples, humans, robots, cartoon characters. Uses pelvis, spine and leg structure. Requires balance and weight transfer. Common in 3D animation. Uses inverse kinematics. 1 line, a biped is a 2-legged animated character. 20. Biped footstep mode. Used in 3D animation software. Animator places footprints. Software creates walk automatically. Saves animation time. Easy to edit path and direction. Can be customized later. 21. Body language of a character. Shows emotions without speaking. Posture reveals attitude. Gestures express feelings. Head position gives clues. Weight distribution shows confidence or fear. Makes characters believable. 22. Judging personality of a character. Shape design reveals personality. Round shapes is equal to friendly. Sharp shapes is equal to aggressive. Movement style gives clues. Reactions show behavior. Interactions reveal social status. 23. Process of designing a character. 1. Research character idea. 2. Draw rough sketches. 3. Create clear silhouette. 4. Prepare model sheet. 5. Select colors. 6. Make design ready for animation. 24. Why animator is called an actor. Animator performs through character. controls expressions and gestures, creates emotions and reactions, studies real life acting, gives personality to characters, brings characters to life. 25. Motion capture, mocap, records real actor movements, transfers movements to digital characters, uses sensors or markers, produces realistic motion, saves animation effort, widely used in films and games. Motion capture system, performance suit cameras tracking software scale rig facial capture system. 26. Concept of storyboard, visual version of a script, contains scene by scene sketches, shows camera angles, shows character actions, guides production team, helps plan the story. One line, storyboard is a visual plan of a film or animation. 27. Advantages of storyboard, visualize the script, saves production time, detects errors early, improves planning, reduces cost, useful for client presentations. 28. Procedure of building a storyboard. 1. Read the script. 2. Divide into scenes. 3. Draw rough panels. 4. Add camera directions. 5. Add dialogue and notes. 6. Review and finalize. 29. Storyboard versus animatics. Storyboard static drawings, no actual timing, audio written as notes, camera moves shown by arrows used for planning. Animatics moving video, exact timing, real audio added, camera moves animated used for pacing. 30. Timing the board. Assigns duration to storyboard panels. Matches visuals with audio. Controls scene pacing. Helps estimate frame count. Used before creating animatics. Saves production effort. 31. Breakdown of an element. Breaking a character or object into parts. Helps understand movement. Used for rigging and animation. Creates smooth transitions. Maintains consistency. Simplifies complex scenes. 32. Production flowchart. Main stages. 1. Script writing 2. Character design 3. Storyboarding 4. Audio recording 5. Animatics 6. Modeling 7. Rigging 8. Animation 9. Lighting and texturing 10. VFX 11. Rendering 12. Compositing 13. Sound design 14. Final output. Exam trick. Remember pre-production, production, post-production. 33. Various stages of script writing. 1. Idea brainstorming 2. Logline creation 3. Story treatment 4. Beat sheet 5. First draft 6. Revision and final draft. 34. Process of writing and approving. Scripts. Develop idea. Write treatment. Create screenplay. Review and feedback. Make corrections. Final approval before production. 35. Acquiring art material from client. Meet client. Understand requirements. Collect logos and references. Receive files. Check quality. Share assets with team. 36. Process of forming a contract. Discuss project scope. Negotiate terms. Draft agreement. Add legal clauses. Review document. Sign and store contract. 37. Responsibilities of animation. Supervisor. Guides animation team. Maintains quality. Ensures consistency. Reviews daily work. Solves technical issues. Coordinates with departments. 38. Positions in animation studios. Important roles. Storyboard artist, character designer, concept artist, 3D modeler, rigger, animator, lighting artist, FX artist, compositor. 39. Types of organization sizes. Micro enterprise. Less than 10 employees. Small organization. 10 to 50 employees. Medium organization, 50 to 250 employees. Large organization, more than 250 employees. 40. What is a milestone? Important checkpoint in a project. Marks completion of a major phase. Helps track progress. Used in project management. Has no duration itself. Example, animatic approved before animation starts. 41. Explain burn rate. Measures money spent over time. Usually calculated monthly. Shows financial health. Helps estimate business survival. Used in budgeting and planning. Formula burn rate is equal to monthly expenses, monthly income. 42. Explain execution. Turning plans into action. Implementing project tasks. Following production pipeline. Solving problems during work. Maintaining quality standards. Completing project on time. 43. How to project talent commercially. Create strong portfolio. Build professional brand. Use social media. Share best work online. Network with professionals. Pitch services to clients. 44. Concept of render farm. Group of powerful computers. Used for rendering animations. Splits rendering work. Reduces render time. Handles large projects. Common in studios. One line, render farm is equal to multiple computers rendering together. 45. 4 universal options in render menu. 1. Render frame renders current frame. 2. Render sequence renders animation sequence. 3. Render settings controls output settings. 4. Batch render renders multiple files automatically. 46. Importance of testing animation. Importance finds errors early. Improves quality. Saves render time. Prevents costly fixes. How to test. Play blast preview. Check poses. Scrub timeline. Test rig controls. 47. Role of video in animation studio. Motion reference. Animatics creation. Daily progress reviews. Marketing and showreels. Client presentations. Final delivery. 48. Role of light in animation. Creates depth. Shows shape and volume. Sets mood. Directs viewer attention. Improves realism. Creates shadows and highlights. 49. Film technology. Uses film to capture images. Based on light-sensitive emulsion. Records images frame by frame. Developed using chemicals. Standard playback at 24 fps. Foundation of filmmaking. 50. NTSC standard. Television standard. Used mainly in USA and Japan. Frame rate is equal to 29.97 FPS. Uses 525 scan lines. Supports color broadcasting. Uses interlaced scanning. 51. Difference between PAL and NTSC. PAL. 25 FPS. 50 Hz system. Europe, India. NTSC. 29.97 FPS. 60 Hz system. USA, Japan. Better color stability, smoother motion, easy memory. PAL is equal to 25 FPS. NTSC is equal to 30 FPS. Approx. 52. Components of a video facility 1. Production studio, actual shooting area. Cameras and lights are used. 2. PCR, production control room, controls live production. Director works here. 3. MCR, master control room, controls broadcast transmission. 4. Car, central apparatus room. Stores technical equipment. 5. Editing suite. Used for editing videos. Memory trick, studio PCR, MCR, car editing. 53. Pixel ratio. Relationship between pixel width and height. Affects image appearance. Can be square or non-square. Important for video formats. Prevents image distortion. Types. Square pixel, 1 non-square pixel, 16 54. Switch booth monitor. Monitor used in control room. Displays multiple camera feeds. Helps choose live feed. Shows preview and program output. Used in TV broadcasting. Monitors technical quality. 55. Black and white signal. Carries brightness information only. No color information. Also called luminance signal. Used in early television. Forms base of color TV systems. Produces monochrome images. 56. Color signal. Carries color information. Added to brightness signal. Produces full color images. Used in modern television. Works with RGB YIQ systems. Improves visual quality. 57. Television broadcasting. Sending audio and video signals. Uses transmitters and receivers. Can be analog or digital. Reaches large audiences. Used for TV channels. Requires broadcast standards. 58. Analog broadcasting. Uses continuous signals. Older technology. More signal noise. Lower quality. Used before digital TV. Examples, NTSC and PAL. 59. Digital broadcasting. Uses digital signals. Better picture quality. Better sound quality. Less interference. Supports HD content. More efficient transmission. 60. Transmission process. 1. Capture content. 2. Process signals. 3. Broadcast through transmitter. 4. Receive by antenna cable. 5. Display on television. 61. What is resolution? Number of pixels in image. Determines image quality. Higher resolution is equal to clearer image. Important in video production. Measured in width times height. Examples. 720p 1080p 4K. 62 aspect ratio. Shape of screen image. Ratio of width to height. Affects composition. Common in video production. Examples. 4 360 921 63. Importance of aspect ratio. Maintains image proportions. Prevents stretching. Improves viewing experience. Important for different screens. Maintains visual quality. 64. Broadcast monitor. Professional video monitor. Shows accurate colors. Used in studios. Helps quality control. Supports broadcasting standards. More accurate than normal monitors. 65. Video editing suite. Room used for editing. Contains editing software. Used for post-production. Adds effects and transitions. Finalizes videos. Improves quality. 66. Audio in video production. Adds dialogue. Creates mood. Improves storytelling. Includes music and effects. Increases audience engagement. Essential for final output. 67. Sound design. Creation of audio elements. Includes effects and ambience. Enhances realism. Supports storytelling. Used in films and animation. Improves audience experience. 68. Foley sound. Manually created sound effects. Recorded in studio. Matches on-screen action. Improves realism. Common in movies. Examples, footsteps, door sounds. 69. Importance of post-production. Improves final quality. Fixes errors. Adds effects. Enhances sound. Adjusts colors. Prepares final output. 70. Final master export. Last stage of production. Generates final video file. Includes all edits. Ready for distribution. High quality output. Used for release. 71. What is compositing? Combining different visual elements. Merges characters and backgrounds. Adds effects and lighting. Creates final scene. Used in post-production. Improves visual quality. 72. What is rendering? Converting project into final images video. Processes lighting and textures. Generates output frames. Computer-intensive process. Used before compositing. Finalizes visual appearance. 73. What is rigging? Creating digital skeleton. Allows character movement. Controls joints and bones. Used in 3D animation. Makes animation easier. Essential before animating. 74. What is modeling? Creating 3D objects. Defines shape and structure. Builds characters and props. Uses polygons and meshes. Foundation of 3D production. Done before rigging. 75. What is texturing? Adding surface details. Applies colors and patterns. Makes objects realistic. Defines material appearance. Used after modeling. Improves visual quality. 76. What is lighting? Illuminates scene. Creates mood and atmosphere. Shows depth and volume. Highlights important areas. Creates shadows. Improves realism. 77. What is special effects? VFX. Creates visual effects. Adds fire, smoke, explosions. Enhances scenes. Uses computer software. Improves realism. Used in films and animation. 78. What is simulation? Computer-generated physical behavior. Mimics real-world physics. Used for water, cloth, fire. Saves manual animation work. Creates realistic movement. Common in VFX. 79. What is layout? Arranges scene elements. Places cameras. Determines composition. Plans environments. Guides animation process. Connects storyboard to production. 80. What is showreel? Collection of best work. Demonstrates skills. Used for jobs and clients. Short and professional. Highlights strongest projects. Marketing tool for artists. 81. Importance of portfolio. Shows skills and experience. Attracts employers. Helps get freelance work. Demonstrates creativity. Builds credibility. Essential for career growth. 82. What is networking? Building professional relationships. Creates career opportunities. Helps find clients. Expands industry contacts. Encourages collaboration. Important for growth. 83. Importance of teamwork. Improves productivity. Shares workload. Encourages creativity. Solves problems faster. Helps meet deadlines. Essential in animation studios. 84. Intellectual property, IP. Legal ownership of creations. Protects original work. Covers characters and designs. Prevents unauthorized use. Important in contracts. Gives creator rights. 85. NDA, non-disclosure agreement. Legal confidentiality agreement. Protects sensitive information. Prevents information leaks. Used with clients and studios. Creates trust. Common in animation projects. 86. Copyright. Protects creative work. Gives ownership rights. Prevents copying. Covers artwork and animation. Automatically applies to creators. Can be legally enforced. 87. Quality control, QC. Checks work quality. Finds errors. Maintains standards. Improves final output. Reduces mistakes. Ensures client satisfaction. 88. Importance of deadlines. Keeps project on schedule. Improves efficiency. Prevents delays. Helps budgeting. Maintains professionalism. Ensures timely delivery. 89. Client feedback process. Present work to client. Receive comments. Make corrections. Review changes. Get approval. Finalize project. 90. Importance of communication. Prevents misunderstandings. Improves teamwork. Clarifies goals. Speeds problem solving. Helps project success. Essential in production pipelines. 91. Animation production pipeline. Pre-production. Script design storyboard animatic. Production. Modeling rigging animation lighting. Post-production. VFX rendering compositing sound final export. Exam one-liner. Pre-production production post-production. Last night revision sheet, MAME. Erase this, ANIM. Asian Basics FR. AME is equal to single image FPS is equal to frames per second storyboard is equal to static drawings animatic is equal to time storyboard ANIM. Asian principles. Squash and stretch is equal to weight anticipation is equal to preparation timing is equal to speed appeal is equal to attractive character exaggeration is equal to more dramatic action. Production. Modeling is equal to create object rigging is equal to add skeleton animation is equal to add movement lighting is equal to add light rendering is equal to generate final frames compositing is equal to combine layers. Business. Milestone is equal to major checkpoint burn rate is equal to money spent monthly portfolio is equal to best work collection showreel is equal to video portfolio. TV and video. NTSC is equal to 29.97 fps PAL is equal to 25 fps aspect ratio is equal to screen shape pixel ratio is equal to pixel shape foley is equal to artificial sound effects.